Welcome to my channel, Beauty Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner, and this is a simple recipe for thin cut T-bone steaks. So for the mixture, for the rub we're going to make for this steak, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and a teaspoon of adobo, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. So here you're going to have about 4 thin cut steaks, and you're going to make this mixture into a paste before applying. So I'm whisking everything together, and as soon as I have all my mixture pretty much incorporated, I am going to just pour it over my steaks. I know I usually use gloves when working with meat, but hey, work with what you got. In this case, I have my hands, and I'm just rubbing all the ingredients into my steaks. So I am going to cover my steaks, and I'm going to let them rest for about 10 minutes in the fridge, just so that the flavors can incorporate a little bit better into them. Got my small barbecue going. Hey, like I said, I am working with what I have, and this is what I have. So just make sure that your coal is nice and heated up. Just throw on your steaks, and if you like them medium rare, well done, that'll depend on the time that you would have to let them sitting on the grill. Super easy, simple, and delicious, no-fail seasoning for thin cut T-bone steaks. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching Beauty Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching Beauty Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner.